Hi guys, and welcome to the latest tutorial video in helpfulimsolutions.com. What I want to do today is very quickly run through with you how and where to register your domain names and where to host those domain names once you've purchased them. Now the company I use is a company called GoDaddy.com. So if you go to GoDaddy.com, you'll be presented with a page that looks something like this when it comes up. Okay, now we're there eventually. This is GoDaddy.com. In this box here you can put in your chosen domain name. Now if you're trying to brand yourself, obviously you can put your own name in there, like johnsmith.com or whatever, or your company name, and press go and see if your name is available. Okay, now the domain names are starting at $8.39. that is per year. That's £8.39, okay, in the English market. The name I'm using for this tutorial video is going to be helpfulimsolution.com. You'll always be given the .com option by GoDaddy, and as you can see, the name is available. Now along the bottom here you'll notice that they're trying to sell you other things like the .co, the .net, the .org, etc, etc, the .biz. Okay, now they're a little bit cheaper than $8.39 and the .com. What GoDaddy also do is they'll try to sell you add-ons to go with those with the domain you're after. And what I tend to do is totally ignore those altogether. They'll also try to sell you things as well. They've got a discount going on at the moment, 65% on a .net or a .org, but they can give you a .info here for absolutely nothing, which is pretty good, so you might as well click on that and have that. Okay, so what I would do once I've done that, selected that, made sure it's all okay, continue to the registration page, to the checkout. Now if you're already a member of GoDaddy, you can log in here and all your details will already be there. Okay, if not, you'll have to go through the subscription box, and just, it's only a little short form to fill in with your name and address and things like that on. Excuse me while I just pause the video while that loads. Okay, so just before you get to the shopping cart, you'll need to create your domain registration information, so you fill all the details in here and proceed on to the next page, which will be the credit card information page, and go and purchase your domain name from GoDaddy. Once you purchase your domain name, you will need to go and host it. Now where I host my websites is a company called HostGator.com. Now I use HostGator.com because I find them really good. I find their support desk absolutely outstanding. You can have a conversation with them on their chat rooms very quickly with an expert, and they can help you out with any problems that you might have. They also have a lot of tutorials in there as well. Now you'll be presented with a screen like this, so if you go across to HostGator.com and click on view web hosting plans, they will give you a few options to choose from. Now my advice to you is to choose the one here in the center, which is the baby plan. Now with the baby plan you can register more than one domain, okay, more than one website. You might be thinking, well, I only need to register one, you know, I'm only a small company or whatever. That's fine. If you want to go for the hatchling plan, that's fine. But please bear in mind that you will not be able to add it on another website onto the hatchling plan at a future date. With the baby plan you can, so I would recommend going for that. I would also recommend that you purchase a hosting package for more than a year. So I would go for at least 2 years or even 3. What I would do, I nearly always register for 3 years. I'll then go across to the order now and purchase the baby plan. What HostGator will obviously do, they'll try and sell you add-ons and other little packages to go along with what you're trying to buy, but I always tend to just go straight to the shopping cart and purchase, and away you go. Okay, so I'll leave that with you. It's all self-explanatory from this point. Just enter your domain name in there and press go to step 2. Okay, register. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and the next video I will be showing you how to change the name servers on your site. Thank you.